going on? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Ron, and today it's gonna be more of a chill day. Keep talking about the car, parts that I have, things that I've done over the time. The car has been sitting, and you don't want to have the 85 sitting for too long, so I'm gonna start the car up. I did run my oil pressure gauge, but I don't know if I'm gonna be leaking anything, so I'm gonna start the car up, check to see if it's leaking, and yeah, just kind of go over some stuff with the car. And here has been a complete mess. You probably can't even see anything with the lighting, but for sure it's not bad. I think it should be higher, but this is a cold start, so let's see what happens. And I gotta go check to see if it's leaking, so hold on. I checked and there's no leaks. It's at 60 psi, so I guess that's straight. I think it should be a little bit higher, but I'm gonna keep watching it. Also, your boy got package. I think it's injectors, because I had reached out to the company and they're like, no problem, we'll send you out another set of injectors and then try these to see if it had fixed our issue. But I think we had already fixed our issue when we got the injectors cleaned, and Jason came by and adjusted the map on idle, so I have an extra set of injectors, so that's a good thing. Yep, it's a few days later, and I'm at my brother's house, and voila, I've been working on this car on the low. I haven't really been recording. The harness at Dre's Racing channel, go check him out. That's the harness that he did for us and sent it to us. Already did the clutch line. And right now, where'd I put it? Alright, so I gotta do the radiator fan, the slim fan, and I do also have this water neck that I got from eBay. So it's like 20 something dollars. Comes with the thermostat in there and everything. I'm gonna install this today, so that's all that I'm doing today, and end this video because my battery's at 5% and the charger's at my house, so let's knock this out real quick. For the water neck, I'm gonna just unbolt those 3 bolts. I thought I had the camera stand, but I don't, and I'm gonna just take that out and pick the camera back up when I'm done with that. We already have the water neck off, and what I did is, because I couldn't find any Teflon tape, we put Honda Bond around it, and I also removed the thermostat from here and put it down here, and then we're just gonna plug right there, so it looks smoother right there. So that's the plan. We're letting the Honda Bond dry a little bit, then I'm finished tightening this, then we'll just bolt this on, and then this is pretty much done. Put the belt, put the hose back on, and we're good. And just like that, the water neck is on, bolted up fully, and connected. So I'm gonna take on the radiator now. So here's the eBay radiator. I think this is a 10-inch fan, and we got these with it, and this also with it. So I'm gonna set this up, connect everything how they're supposed to go, and start running these things through the radiator. Alright, so unfortunately I won't be able to start the car today because I have to redo the charge harness. So the battery's relocated into the engine. My bad. The battery's relocated into the fuse box, and the battery is inside the car. But we might be running the battery under the fender here. But we still have to extend the cable to inside the car under the dash where the fuse box is, and then possibly run the battery here or in the car. We don't know yet. So I'm gonna put the axles in. We only have the half shaft in for now. I'm gonna put the axle in and I guess I'm gonna call it a night from there on. But yeah, that's everything. Alright, just got the half shaft in, and we're gonna put this axle in and pretty much pick up the camera afterwards. Don't look at my toes, man. Alright. Alright, that's it. The water neck is on. The fan is on. The fan is on. Water neck line. Half shaft with both axles are in. So alright, so I'm back home. So literally all I have left to be that needs to be done on my brother's car is the charge harness, drain the gas because it has 085 in the tank. Yeah, so charge harness, figure out where we're putting the battery, drain the fuel, put new fuel, put new liquid, so oil, coolant, bleed the systems, redo the brakes, the brake fluid, bleed all those lines, clutch line, all of that. I gotta do all of that on that car, and then the car will be driving. I mean, the car is 95% done, I'm assuming, or 90% if you guys want to say. And with my car, well, I got this box. I have this box where I could throw away the big box. I have these. The Power Stop Extreme brake pads, and I also have the Brembo. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll just put it on the car so you can see it. But I have the Brembo rotors, so that needs to go on, and I also do need to do my ball joint. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's that. I also have me some R triple eights. Don't mind the mess in the car, but I got me some R triple eights. I conclude today's video. I know it's been all over the place. I want to apologize for that, but I do want to thank you guys for watching. Also, if you made it to this far in the video, be sure to check out the homies. We got EG Chris, we got Dre's Racing Channel, we got KTV Build, you know, Zosh. Just check the drop down. We got Alan Spec. Hit the drop down. Hit the button, and you have a link to all the people you can get great content from, whether it may be Honda, you know, 240, A86. It doesn't matter what it is, MR2. Do me the favor and go give them a follow. Watch their videos. Spread the love. I'm out. Peace.